Hi, I'm Keisha, and I'm a pharmacy technician here at Lock Haven Veterinary Hospital. Today I'm going to ask Dr. McIntosh some questions about dog behavior. Dr. McIntosh, when should I seek professional help for dog behavior problems?
There's a lot of reasons to seek professional help for behavior problems, depending on what you're seeing and whether or not training is helping. Getting medical help and making sure that this isn't a medical problem first is your next step.
How can I tell the difference between a behavior problem and a medical problem?
So that physical exam is really important at the beginning, making sure that we don't find any reasons or any medical reasons for your dog's changes in behavior, painful conditions, things like that. That's the first step. And then from there, we go to more intensive discussions.
What information will my veterinarian need to know about my dog?
So depending on what your dog's behavior problem is, that physical exam and then answering a questionnaire about what's going on at home, what your dog is doing with other dogs at home, and what kind of problems that you're having in the home are really important to let us know what we need to address.
What questions should I ask my veterinarian about my dog's behavior?
If there's anything that you're concerned about, especially with behavior changes that are sudden, those are all reasons to talk to your veterinarian about your dog's behavior and whether or not it's a problem.
My dog has been diagnosed with a behavior problem. What are the next steps?
So depending on what the issue is, and as long as medical things have been rolled out, next step would be talking to a trainer and also talking to either a veterinary behaviorist, a boarded veterinary behaviorist, or a veterinarian who's interested in behavior medicine, such as myself, and we can get you set up with a behavior consult where we go the next step and decide what all needs to change and whether or not medications are warranted.
What is behavior modification?
Behavior modification is the practice of actually changing the dog's behavior or changing the environment to affect the dog's behavior. So that's talking about, like, if you have a dog that's jumping up, when do you give it attention for putting all 4 feet on the ground so that it doesn't jump up for you? The act of actually changing that behavior is behavior modification.
Is medication a short or long-term solution for my dog's behavior problem?
Really depends on the behavior problem. If it's a situational issue where it only happens every so often, certainly that's short-term medication. If your dog is having that problem every day, then more than likely everyday medications are going to be warranted until we can get them to a place where we feel like medications aren't needed anymore. A lot of dogs with severe medical problems or severe behavior problems end up needing to stay on those medications lifelong, and we tweak them as we need to.
Thank you, Dr. McIntosh.
Thank you, Keisha. If you have any questions about your dog's behavior or your dog's medical issues, you can give us a call here at Lock Haven Veterinary Hospital, and we can get you scheduled in for a physical exam and decide whether or not a behavior consult is right for you.